Okay guys, we're going to draw a house on a snowy hill, and the first thing I want you guys to do is I'm going to have you draw snow across the bottom like this, so just do an arc and then fill it with white. Try to get it as filled with white as you can, try to cover as much of the paper as you can. And then we're going to draw another hill that comes up and down, and one more hill that comes up and down. And what I want you to do is fill each of these with white as well, but I'm going to leave like a little green line along the bottom just to kind of separate the hills from each other. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a house, and we're going to start by using a pencil. And all I want you to do is do 3 lines. I want you to go straight up, and straight up like this, okay? And this is what's going to become our house. Then you're going to draw, you're going to connect these 2 lines, and you're going to connect these 2 lines. You're just going to go up, and then you're going to draw another line that meets that one that's like a triangle, and then draw a line that's the same angle as this line and connects those at the top. This is going to be the roof. You can draw a doorway and a window, and if you want you can add a chimney. Okay, so for my house I'm going to switch from oil pastels to colored pencil, and I'm just going to fill the house part of the drawing with red. I'm going to make my house red. You can make your house whatever color you want. I'm also going to leave like a little curved part for snow. I'm going to add white to the top part to make it look like snow. You can also use crayons for this house. It doesn't have to be colored pencil. And then I'm just going to outline my house in the black. And once I get that outlined, I'm going to add some yellow for the windows to make it look like there's light coming from the windows. I'm going to fill my door with black. And then I'm going to outline my window in black and put in some window panes. And finally, I'm going to add some smoke coming out of the chimney, like there's a fire going and it's nice and warm and cozy inside that cabin. All right, and now we're going to draw our trees. And I'm just going to do them kind of like whimsical looking, so oval. And I'm going to do 3 different colors of green. Use my black colored pencil again and draw the trunks. And I'm also going to draw some branches in each of the trees. Okay. And finally we're going to draw some footprints, and what I want you to do is just draw little ovals like footprints in the snow, and they're gonna skip, so it's like 1, 2, as if somebody is walking through the snow. When they get to the end here, they're gonna flip and they're gonna come this way, and they're gonna get smaller because this hill is further in the distance, and so as things go further into the distance, they get smaller. And these footprints are going to lead the viewer's eye right through your artwork. This is called movement in art, the principle of movement. And I'm going to have you take those footprints all the way up to the door. If you want, you can kind of do a little bit of shading on the hills to separate them a little bit more. Just make sure you're doing the shading on the same side. And last but not least, let's add some snow falling down all around the cabin. And there you have it, a cute little red house in the snow. Have fun with this, you guys. This video was created by Sabrina Wingren at A Space to Create Art. Have fun creating.